What African country is never in the news for anything bad? Like you will rarely hear them mention them that they did something bad in the news.
I'd say Rwanda.
Rwanda?
Rwanda is doing very well these days. In fact, a lot of people are now relocating to Rwanda. The economy is getting better, so I'd say Rwanda.
Rwanda.
South Africa.
For anything bad?
Yeah, you never see them there. You wouldn't see Kenya or Uganda.
Rwanda is one of them in Africa. It's East Africa. So when you talk about West Africa, they are something else.
West Africa,
Nigeria, Ghana, they are something. They are women is something else.
Ethiopia?
Ethiopia?
Yeah. And perhaps Rwanda. Yeah, the countries are quite stable. You know, Rwanda used to be quite bad, many years ago, but right now they are very stable. Good economy, actually the cleanest country in the world.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really?
You can check it out.
The cleanest country?
Absolutely.
And they did like a 360 turnaround.
Cleaner than Moscow, cleaner than North Korea, cleaner than obviously UK.
The Rwandese are serious-minded. When they are at their job, they do their best.
Uganda, I don't really hear much about Uganda the same way I hear about Nigerian. We are everywhere. Nigerian jollof, we are everywhere. Good, bad, ugly.